Hi class, welcome to another tutorial on CS384. So last time we had installed an extension known as Prettier, right? So Prettier is an amazing code formatter. Okay, there are tons of settings for code formatting. Okay, so I will just tell you how to configure the basic code Prettier. So first come to the extension window. In the extension, select the installed one. So select this filter, or I would say a funnel kind of icon. Click on install. You get code formatter, and here you can see the gear icon. Okay, and in this you can select extension settings, right? So you can select the extension setting here also. I will also provide you with another method of searching. So just write here format on save. Okay, so no setting found. Let me just do one thing. Okay, come on this, manage, and select settings in the VS Code bottom right, and just select this option, format on save. So when I select format on save, you have an option editor, format on save, and you write format of file on save. By default, it will be unchecked for you. Just take this. Okay, format on save, and now just see the magic. Settings are automatically saved in VS Code, so there is nothing like OK, apply, something like this. Let me close this, and so let me have a proper formatted code. Let's say A is equal to this and B is equal to 5, something that you define in Python, and I click Control S. Now let me make this ugly. So A is equal to 34, again B is equal to 5. Okay, so the code will work, of course, there is no issue. Let us do one thing, print A plus B. Okay, so now just check the moment I am now pressing Control S, just have a look at the formatting. The moment I press Control S, this code goes into a very nice formatting. Okay, so that's how useful this formatting is. Okay, and Prettier provides you with all of these features, right? This tutorial was only covering the Prettier. Okay, at times Prettier, let me just check for the settings. Okay, configuration. Okay, so all is well. Okay, so this tutorial was just on a Prettier note, like a Prettier extension I should say, just to auto format your code. Okay, thank